Warning: hazardous power present even when the cabinet is shut down. Disconnect all batteries before opening the cabinet door. First, attach the positive battery cable to the positive terminal on the battery. Then attach the negative battery cable to the negative terminal on the battery. Be careful to grab a pair of cables from the battery conditioner and do not mix positive and negative cables between batteries. To start the charging cycle on a battery, use the supplied key to release the locking e-stop button for the desired battery. Press the reset button to enable the charging cycle on that battery. The yellow light will illuminate, showing that the battery is charging. If more than one battery is connected and enabled, there will be an ascending yellow, red, green light pattern indicating that the battery is enabled but waiting for its turn. Batteries that are waiting are not actively being charged or loaded. Each battery will undergo a mandatory 1-hour desulfation cycle when initially reset. After the first hour, it will undergo a normal charging cycle where it will attempt to charge the battery. If the battery completes its charge, it will then do a 15-second load test to verify the health of the battery while blinking the yellow light. After the load test, the battery conditioner will go into a 15-minute cool-down period, blinking the green light. This allows the cooling of the load resistor before continuing. If the battery health is determined to be good, then the green light will illuminate solidly, ending that battery cycle. If it fails the load test, then the light will illuminate solidly red. If there is another battery connected and enabled as shown, it will now start its cycle. If a battery is determined to be in good health and the green light is illuminated, then it will simply float charge for an hour on its next cycle. If it is determined to be bad for any reason, then it will be skipped over. After the mandatory 1-hour desulfation period, if a battery fails to charge in 1 hour, it will return to its waiting state and give another battery a chance to cycle. If a battery fails to charge after 5 attempts, it will be determined to be bad and the red light will illuminate. When the time comes to disconnect the completed batteries from the battery conditioner, simply press in the locking e-stop buttons for the desired batteries to remove them from the chain. At this point, the batteries may be removed from their cables and they can be handled accordingly. Do not attempt to disconnect a battery that has not been removed from the chain by having its e-stop button pressed. Failure to do so will not only expose the operator to the dangers of the battery itself, but also of the battery conditioner. If a battery is reset on the tester and no actual battery is attached, then after a few seconds, a red light will solidly illuminate, indicating a failure. For more information regarding the Hapeman Electronics battery conditioner, please contact Hapeman Electronics at hplect@hapeman.com or at 724-376-2239.